This is for our grill cover, and we are super excited because I bought my husband this nice stainless steel grill and we needed a grill cover for it. So this is by Unicook. I like that it came in a Ziploc case. And let's open it up. This is a 65-inch grill cover in black. So this is what the cover looks like. As you can see, it looks like real heavy-duty material. And let's go put it on the grill and see what it looks like. It also comes with this thank you card and care instructions. To clean the product, you need a garden hose and not a high-pressure washer. Also, do not machine wash and make sure it's completely air-dried. Clean with a damp cloth and mild detergent if necessary. To avoid any possibility of mildew, make sure it's completely dry before putting it away. Also, make sure the grill is completely cooled off before putting it on. It's made of UV-resistant polyester fabric, and it's fade-resistant too. It also comes with a 12-month limited warranty. It also comes with a hook enclosure, so you can have a nice snug fit. Now let's put it on. Wow, it came out great. Check it out. So I'm really happy with the product, and it has two handles on top for ease of taking it off. And then it has the hook and loop closure on the sides to make it nice and snug. So I'm really pleased with it. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.